Come on, get out.
You saved me.
Yeah, there's ketchup right there. That's just ketchup, so don't worry.
Yeah?
I spilled some ketchup. I remember in my childhood that I accidentally spilled some ketchup there. Now it's there forever.
What the heck?
Is this like a facility? Calm down! Calm down!
Watch out!
Calm down! Come on.
Wait.
I'm down this. I don't see you. Oh, there.
I'm trying to... someone's in there.
Let me see. I think we gotta bust it open. Bust it open.
Let me just... Wait, I'm gonna try again. I broke it!
Oh, yeah.
There's another...
Oh my god! What the heck? Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Where did he go?
I'm not gonna get
Where did they go? They disappeared!
Come back up.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Let's go.
There's a house!
Yeah, there's a house. Over here. Yeah.
You should block it off, because I don't trust this place. Let me just block it off.
Yeah, it could be like... I've been hearing mysteries that there's something called Fleshgait that works in villages.
Yeah. He's like a tall, slender creature. Multiple of them, like his family.
I think that's Fleshgait. What do we do?
He's so great!
What do we do? Okay, we gotta run out. Go!
Gone!
Wait, he's gone? Where did he go?
Whoa!
Go, guys! Yeah, I think. Get in! Yeah. Go!
Go upstairs! Get upstairs. We're safe upstairs. I hear something.
No, wait. What if it's him? Don't.
Yeah.
Let me just... If that's him! Oh, that's...
Is he coming?
He's there. He's below you!
What the? You have no idea what is going on.
Wait, we should try and get to that island in the boat.
Yeah, let's go with the boat.
This boat isn't good. It just sinks. Let's just swim. I think this will work. Just one.
Yeah. Wow.
I got... It was in my backpack. I got 2 of them. Earbuds.
I mean, okay, yeah.
Swing!
Really? Oh. Whoa! The swing! Fire swing.
Can you get on the swing?
Oh my gosh, the swing!
No, I'm trying down!
Oh, let me push you. Yeah!
You try.
Okay, let me try. Got it on.
Get on.
Wait. I think I got on. I'm on. Wow. Give me a push. That's a really good push. Again.
You went too fast, I think.
Yeah, that it got on fire. Okay. Should we swim back? I'm swimming in.
Yeah, I don't know where our airboats went.
I see a tunnel.
Wait, I saw something over here. There's like a little area.
Oh yeah.
Climb up here.
Let me climb. What up? Go. We have to go in the vent. Smash it. Okay, I'm going through the vent.
Someone's home down there.
Yeah.
Watch out!
Okay. There's a door. What is this place, man?
Oh my
gosh.
Come on!
We should go over here and go up these stairs.
No! Go down! And, run!
What? Is it coming? should go back up.
Where are you?
Yeah, he's not there. Up the stairs.
Where are you? Run down. I found a better area. Just goes into another room.
Okay.
We exited.
Oh yeah, this is the vent. Okay, but I think we should go on top of this cliff. We have to go to...
Why isn't it just like nothing down there?
We should go over here.
Yeah. Oh, this building. Ah.
There's a giant rock.
We can't get in.
Okay, maybe... Wait, we could climb up. We could use parkour skills. Get up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Just need to parkour over here. Onto the houses. And then there should be another village there. Here.
Yeah.
Yep, there is. No way. Yep, there. What the?
Okay, like a garage area. Here. It's gonna blow. What the?
Oh my god.
That just blew up.
Yeah. Something chasing us from
fucking
all or something.
But we block it off with this stuff.
I'm scared. Go back. Let's go. I'm all healed up. Okay. I think I'm scared, but let's...
Oh, someone's wrong!
We can't break through.
Ah, he's breaking it!
Oh my god. Oh. No.
He fell down!
He has a gun! I'm so scared. Barricade's breaking!
Oh, he's a gun!
Yeah. Oh, I got launched so far. What is this place? This looks like a bar.
Yeah. He's literally a door.
Oh. Well, yeah, I knew that, but I just got out the window. I nearly just died by you. Go!
There's this other village. I'm pretty sure there was like a bridge.
Yeah. We found it. We finally found it. And the bridge.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's like a base down there, but I don't want to go to it. I'm scared.
Yeah.
Actually, go it.
We're in the base. Wait, why are the doors open? Fleshgait? Okay.
He's pulling me.
He's up. He's getting go. What is he? No. Go. Is he there? What? He's coming!